Here's how to fix Facebook Music Story if it's not available. Now, if you wanted to add music to your Facebook story, but it's just not showing with the option, or the specific song that you wanted to add is not showing up, I'm going to show you some options. So the first thing you can do is hop into Facebook here and tap on Create Story. Now, if you wanted to add a photo first, video, or you wanted to add music afterwards, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to hit the little camera button and I'm just going to take a quick picture of this remote. Now, if I wanted to add music to it, I can tap on the stickers at the top right and then tap on music. And I can scroll through this entire list. Basically, I can search at the very top for certain artists, certain songs that I want to add, all of that stuff. But if it's still not available, if you go through all of these steps and you're just not seeing anything, if you don't see any music, or if you're not seeing the specific song that you wanted to add, I'll walk you through how to fix that. So let's hop out of here and hop into our settings and tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now on here, what we're going to do is find the Facebook app, wherever that is. There it is. And we're going to offload the app and reinstall it. Basically, by doing this, this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches that might be in the app. Now, after you hit this reinstall, it will reinstall it and that Facebook Music should be working. However, potentially, depending on which region you're in, certain songs might be available in certain countries and they might not be available in other countries. What you can always do if you just wanted to add your own songs to it is you can always swipe over and you can do InShot. Here's InShot. You can open that up. You can do some video editing in InShot and add your own songs directly from there. Or another good one is called CapCut. I guess I might not have that on my phone right now, but another one is CapCut. So just download and install a video editing app directly on your iPhone. Then you can add music directly to that video in that other app and just upload it from your gallery directly into your Facebook story. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.